Flu Self-test. The kit includes a dipstick test, nasal swab, extraction buffer tube, and instructions for use. Not included but required is a timer. First, wash your hands with soap and water. Remove the aluminium cover from the extraction buffer tube, taking care not to spill any of the solution. Insert the tube into the hole of the box included. Remove the sterile swab from the packet, making sure you avoid touching the soft absorbent tip of the swab. Insert the entire tip of the swab into your nostril, about 2 centimeters. Slowly twist and rotate the swab, rubbing it against the inside of your nostril 5 to 10 times. Remove the swab from your nostril. Now insert the swab into the other nostril and repeat the process. Insert the swab into the extraction buffer tube and stir for 30 seconds to mix the specimen with the solution. Rotate the swab 5 times while squeezing the tube against the swab. Continue to squeeze the tube and remove the swab. Attach the dropper head onto the end of the tube and press down firmly. Shake the tube to mix the solution. Remove the test cassette from the foil pouch and place it on a clean, even surface. Add 4 drops of the solution into the sample well marked S. Start a timer and read the results after 15 minutes. Do not interpret the results after 20 minutes. If results are negative but symptoms persist or you yield a positive result, then we advise you to consult your GP.